Writing skills. So the writing skills are the skills which is very helpful for write anything. It can be divided into four parts, or as well as it has four steps. First point is the planning. Planning means you have to plan the data before writing anything, just like as objective of communication, audience analysis, selection of thoughts, collection of data and facts, or the sequence of writing the data. So these are the planning. You have to plan something before you have to write anything, because of it saves time, or the data you have to write it is very effective for the audiences or the reader. Next point is the drafting. Drafting means you have to write the data while you have to plan it. Next point is the amendment. Amendment means reconstruction of data. It means add new data, or change the structure of languages, check the grammatical mistakes, or avoid repetition of writing. It means over and out the repetition of writings, concise the data. So these are the points which you have to consider in the point of amendment. So the next and the last point is the editing. So editing is the proofreading of the data. So you in the point of editing, you have to read the data in 3 times. Which points you have to consider it, that just like use of pure and comprehensive vocabulary, use of strong words, and small, you have to write the small words, small and understanding words. You have to write the data in a paragraph, or as well as the paragraphs is to be short, not too long paragraph. Clear, you have to use the clear words, or the data you have to write it, that should be very clear for the audiences or the reader. Familiar and effective words you have to use as well as the data you have to write it should be very clear and concise. The data effective, data is very effective, as well as the informative data which helps to give some information to a reader.